Part 45, question number 45, an inequality of quadratic with quadratic. Okay, so our question is x square minus 5x plus 6. I am taking this part only and factorizing it. If you use AC method or whatever method you use, these are going to be the factors. Expression, factorized. Now let me introduce 0, that is equal to 0. If you have equal to 0 here, you put both the factors, equal to 0, and x can be 3 and x can be 2. But here we don't have zeros. Here we have a small sign smaller than. That means we have to find those values of x which when up plugged in here, the overall answer should be less than 0. For that too, we have to find the zeros first. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 will be zeros. You have to make sure that the numbers which you are placing here, that should be according to the number line concept. 2 on the left hand side because it's a smaller one, and 3 on the right hand side because it's a greater one out of these two. Now let's take a number from here. Let's take 2.5. If I plug 2.5 here at place of x, right? So this is negative and this is positive. If you multiply, overall sign is negative, which is less than 0. So yes, numbers between 2 and 3 are satisfying it. Now let me take a number greater than 3. Let's say I take 4. So 4 minus 3 and 4 minus 2. This is going to give me a positive result which is greater than 0. Okay, that part is not satisfying. Let's take one value less than 2. If I take less than 2, let's say 0. So 0 minus 3 and 0 minus 2. Both are negative. Negative, negative, positive, which is again greater than 0. I want smaller than 0. These two are greater than 0. That means even this part is not satisfying this. So values, now what should I use? Values from 2 to 3 or values between 2 to 3. They are not from 2 to 3 because equal to sign in is not here. They are between 2 to 3. So that will be our solution set. Numbers lying between 2 to 3. Let me just differentiate what I am saying. If this question is like x minus 3 and x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0, then x can be 2 and x can be 3. So this will be like numbers from 2 to 3 will be the solution for this equation. I hope you get the difference between the, two ways why we are including and why we are not including 2 or 3, the different situations.